Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of amazing small front yard garden landscaping ideas and 5 front yard landscape ideas for impressive garden ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Front yard landscaping is an excellent way to boost the appearance of your home. Not only will it add to the value of your property, you also get a fresh look to your home environment and the envies of your neighbors. You can consider hiring a professional landscaper to help you create an impressive front yard if cost is not a problem. However, if you would like to do the landscaping yourself, here are some front yard landscape tips you can use. 1. Perennial plants. These plants can be used to make borders around your garden. They are a great way to define the periphery of your yard. It can make the garden look more organized and neat. 2. Evergreens. These trees are excellent for landscaping. They require low maintenance and beautiful to the eye. You can have a row of neatly trimmed evergreens to form a border around the front yard. 3. Water features. You can add a fountain to create grand entrance or a pond for that calming and tranquil effect. Benched statues, stones can be added to enhance the theme that you are going for. 4. Lawn. Have a sharp-looking and green lawn. Keep the edges of the grass cut and fresh. 5. Plants. Select low-maintenance plants if you are not an avid gardener and you don't think you will have the time to upkeep the plants all the time. You can choose to use prairie plants and surround them around a main tree. This can be topped up with some beautiful stones. With some careful planning and effort, it is not that difficult to landscape a beautiful front yard. You will have a sense of achievement and satisfaction enjoying your garden after it is completed. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing small front yard garden landscaping ideas and for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.